complete oxidation and reduction reactions are depends. Understand? So first one, let us take oxidation. So this oxidation and reduction, what I said, it will be depend on addition or removal of oxygen or hydrogen elements. Either addition or removal of oxygen or addition or removal of hydrogen elements. That's all. Nothing is there. So let us come to the first one, oxidation. First listen, later you can write. Oxidation. Oxidation means, remember, whenever you observe, oxidation means, understanding, the addition of oxygen to a substance is called as oxidation. Means if you'll add oxygen, I will say definitions later. If you'll add oxygen, then that process is called as oxidation process. Understand? No need to add oxygen every time. In few reactions, I will teach you examples, no worry. The removal of hydrogen from a substance, the removal of hydrogen from a substance is also called as oxidation. Understand? Either we need to add oxygen, any one thing, both no need to take place. Either if we'll add oxygen, then it is called as oxidation, or else if we'll remove hydrogen, then it is called as oxidation. Now, opposite to this, reduction. What I said now, either oxygen and another element. What is that another element? What is that another element?
Hydrogen, sir.
Hydrogen. So now, instead of oxygen, if you people will add hydrogen means addition of hydrogen. Roman number 1, add hydrogen, then that process is called as reduction. Or else, what we can say, another definition, or what we can say, you can tell me. Here, removal of hydrogen from a substance. So here what will come?
The removal of
Removal of oxygen.
Oxygen.
It is a removal of oxygen. Removal of oxygen from a substance is called as reduction. But here you remember, understand? So the process of reduction, it is just opposite to the oxidation. It is correct or not? Yes or no? Yes. So
Yes, sir.
reduction is just opposite to the oxidation, or oxidation will take, it is just opposite to the reduction. So always you remember, oxidation and reduction are opposite to each other, but most of the reactions, understand, both they will take place together. Oxidation and reduction will take place in single reaction. Understand? So now that reactions, if any single reaction, understanding, both the process will take place, then the reactions are called as redox reactions. Redox reactions. You should remember it. If only oxidation will take place, oxidation reaction. Only reduction will take place, reduction reaction. But the oxidation and reduction both will take place together, then the reactions are called as redox reactions. Understand? So redox means, remember, the redox stands for red transfer reduction, and ox stands for oxidation. Red stands for reduction. That is also you want, you can remember. Red transfer reduction, ox stands for oxidation. That is why it is called as redox reaction. Are you people understand? So this is about oxidation and reduction. Now, as well as we will go for two more terminology which you should know. Later only we will write the note work. Now, if you will observe oxidation and reduction. Oxidation means what? Addition of oxygen or removal of hydrogen. Now, here I will use one more word called as oxidizing agent. Oxidizing agent. So what is the meaning of oxidizing agent means? Understand? Oxidizing agent means, remember, the substance which gives oxygen for oxidation, means a source of oxygen is called as oxidizing agent. The substance which gives oxygen, for oxidation reaction, is called as what, amma? Oxidizing agent. Those who are supplying oxygen for oxidation is called as oxidizing agent. Or remember, no need to supply oxygen. Some substances which remove hydrogen is also called as oxidizing agent, which remove hydrogen, is also called oxidizing agent. Understanding? That is it. The same way now. If oxidizing agent. Now reduction. Who will come up? Any guess? Reduction. Reduction, who will come? Reducing agent. What we should call?
Reducing.
Reducing agent. Now, based upon the oxidizing agent, reducing agent, tell me the definitions. Anybody? Tell me the
Sir, it gives
definitions.
out
Humaira?
hydrogen for reduction and it
What?
removes
Sir, which
oxygen.
gives hydrogen for
It needs to supply what? The substance which gives hydrogen. The substance which gives hydrogen are called as a reducing agent, or else the substance which
removes
remove oxygen, which will remove oxygen is called as reducing agent. Are you people understanding or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes or no? Now keep adding oxidation and reduction reactions. First write oxidation. First all of you write oxidation. Right, first oxidation. First definition: the addition of oxygen to a substance is called oxidation. The addition of oxygen to a substance is called oxidation. The addition of oxygen to a substance is called oxidation. Or second definition you can write. The removal of hydrogen from a substance, is also called oxidation. Is also called oxidation. Is also called oxidation. Is also called oxidation. Reduction next. Second heading, reduction. Reduction. The addition of hydrogen to a substance is called reduction. To a substance is called reduction. Or second definition, the removal of oxygen from a substance, the removal of oxygen from a substance, the removal of oxygen from a substance, the removal of oxygen from a substance is also called reduction. The removal of oxygen from a substance is also called reduction. Next, oxidizing agent. Next, oxidizing agent. Next, oxidizing agent. Oxidizing agent. Oxidizing agent. Again, the substance which gives oxygen. Oxidizing agent. Oxidizing agent. The substance which gives oxygen. The substance which gives oxygen for oxidation. For oxidation. For oxidation. If you are not understanding definitions, then you cannot answer oxidation and reduction reaction. This is the most important concept in first chapter. That is what I am saying. Oxidizing agent for oxidation is called an oxidizing agent. An oxidizing agent.
Sir, can you say again?
Yeah. The substance which gives oxygen. The substance which gives oxygen for oxidation. For oxidation is called an oxidizing agent. Is called an oxidizing agent. Full stop. Next, same definition. This is the first definition. Second definition. Instead of giving oxygen, it may remove hydrogen also, right? The substance which removes hydrogen, the substance which removes hydrogen, the substance which removes hydrogen is also called an oxidizing agent. An oxidizing agent. Next, reducing agent.
Oh.
Reducing agent. First definition. Write it. Reducing agent. The substance which gives hydrogen. Which gives hydrogen. Hydrogen for reduction. For reduction is called reducing agent. Is called reducing agent. Or second definition. The substance which removes oxygen. Which removes oxygen is also called as what?
Reducing agent.
Is also called reducing
Reducing
agent.
agent. Sir, I have doubts, sir.
Ask me.
Sir, in both the cases, the reducing of hydrogen and increasing of oxygen, or increase of hydrogen and
Increasing, not addition.
decrease of oxygen takes place. They both takes place at a time or different, sir?
At a time. Some reactions at a time. Some reactions only oxidation will take place. Some reactions only reduction will take place. Understand, Jesse?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Oxidation is addition of oxygen and decreasing of hydrogen. Reduction of hydrogen.
No. Decreasing
So
not.
they both take
You may
place
add
in
oxygen
at a
alone,
time.
or else you may remove hydrogen alone. Then it is called as oxidation. Means in the sense of oxygen is increasing, hydrogen is decreasing not. Maybe any one. Oxygen, if you are adding, also oxidation, or if you are removing hydrogen, also oxidation. Understand?
Okay, sir. Then there are cases like they both happen at the same time.
That reactions both will takes place at a time. That reactions is called as redox reactions. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Right. Next, after this, redox reactions. All of you keep reading redox reactions. redox reactions. Oxidation and reduction reactions. Oxidation and reduction reactions takes place in a single reaction. 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 Is called redox reactions. Is called redox reactions. So what is the meaning of redox? Red indicates what? Reduction.
Sir,
And ox
sir,
indicates
oxidation and reduction takes place in single.
single reaction or same reaction. Is known as
Sir, I
redox
have a
reaction.
Sir, well, redox reactions, does all the four takes place at the same time, sir?
Ashika, ask me louder, please.
Sir, during the redox reaction, does all the four takes place at the same time?
Four
Like
not.
removal
See, oxidation means what? Addition of oxygen. So addition of oxygen will take place. I will explain with the example, then you can understand. You see, understand, Ashika.
Okay, sir.
And now you see, let us go for example. Redox reactions over. Redox means what? Red means reduction. Ox means oxidation. Now, let us start with the example. All of you keep it the example. Example 1. Example 1. Now, let us see now. Example 1. All of you will remember. Observe first. Don't try to write now. Observe first. Let me see how I will say. So, copper oxide. What is the formula? Copper oxide. What is the formula? CuO, correct or not? Plus hydrogen. It will start reacting. Understand? It will start heating. Copper oxide plus hydrogen. Heat. Then they will form copper plus water. What will form? Copper plus copper
Water.
plus copper plus
Water.
water. Is it correct or not? Yes
Yes,
or
sir.
no?
Sir,
Don't try to
Yes,
answer
sir.
now. Listen. One you listen. Later you can understand it. Now you see. In this reaction, CuO is changing into how? Copper oxide is changing into how?
Copper
Plus
water.
as well as weight. That is
Copper.
why. So here if you'll observe, oxygen is being removed or oxygen is being added.
Sir, added, sir.
Added up. What are you talking, man? From copper oxide to
Removed, sir.
copper, where is the oxygen is added? Copper oxide to copper. Only this one you say. Copper oxide become
sir,
copper.
in only copper.
That is what I'm
Removed,
saying. Now here copper oxide is there. Here only copper is there. So now what happened? Oxygen is removed or oxygen is added?
Copper is removed, sir.
What happened?
Copper is removed, sir.
Copper oxide turns into copper. So that copper oxygen is removed or not?
Yes, sir.
Removed, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
removal of oxygen. Removal of oxygen from the definition you tell me. Removal of oxygen. What we should call?
Reductions.
What we should call?
Reduction.
Reduction. That's all. Understand? Next, you observe at a time. By that same time, in this reaction, H2 hydrogen is changing into how? Hydrogen is changing into how?
H2.
H2.
Means oxygen is being added. Is it correct or not? Here
Yes,
O is
sir.
not there. Here O is there. Means oxygen is added. So that what will happen? Oxygen is being added to hydrogen. So now by definition, addition of oxygen
Oxidation.
is called as what?
Oxidation reaction.
Addition of oxygen.
Oxidation.
Oxidation. Are you people understanding?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
That's all. Now, oxidation. So here if you'll observe, who is the oxidizing agent? Who is the source of oxygen? Who is the source of oxygen?
Copper.
Copper. What are you talking? Source of oxygen. Reactant side should be, not product side. Oxidizing agent and reducing agent will be in reactant side, not product side. So now, who is the source of oxygen?
Hydrogen.
Source of oxygen, amma. Oxidizing agent. Now, who is the source of oxygen? Either it needs to supply the oxygen or need to remove the hydrogen. Here supplying oxygen, who is there?
Oxidizing agent.
Copper oxide. Now like that reducing agent, who is that?
Hydrogen.
Reducing agent,
Hydrogen.
hydrogen. That's all. You understand or not?
Yes, sir.
All of you.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, here the substance which is oxidized. Who is oxidized? Who is oxidized? Substance oxidized, who is?
Oxidized.
Oxidized, who is? Who is oxidized? Who is oxidized?
H2O, sir.
H2. Understanding? Who is
Hydrogen.
reduced? Substance reduced.
Copper.
Substance. Copper products don't say, ma. Here you say reactant side. Who is reduced?
Copper.
Copper oxide.
oxide.
Are you understanding? Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes. Yes,
So
sir.
now
Yes,
here you
sir.
will observe this oxidation and reduction reaction. Also we can call it as a displacement reaction. Is it right or not? See it and tell me. Is it also looks like a
Yes,
displacement
sir.
reaction? Yes
Yes,
or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Why?
Yes, sir.
Why it is displacement reaction? Because hydrogen is more reactive than copper. Correct or not?
Element
Yeah.
form.
Please never call me a zebra. I like hydrogen. Call me a pretty girl. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
I like hydrogen.
Can you
Call
please
me.
teach
Let's
this
discuss
again, sir?
copper. So that only hydrogen is more reactive. So that only we are getting product. So this is the thing. So single reaction, oxidizing agent, reducing agent, substance which is oxidized, which is going to oxidation process, hydrogen, which is going to reduced copper oxide. Write it. Example 1. You understood or not?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Sir, while doing this, we should see only the reactant side.
Only reactant side of all the things. Okay.
Sir, substance oxidized means the substance in which it is added only now.
What am I?
Sir, for substance oxidized means the substance in which it is added only now.
Which is going to add for hydrogen only we are going to add. Correct? Understand, Ashika?
Yes, sir.
For hydrogen only it is going to add it. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
So that is why it is oxidized. The substance which is oxidized is hydrogen, which is reduced is copper oxide. Varshini, are you understand, Varshini? Who is option? Rajini, Pranita. That is the first example. You people understand or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Let's
sir.
go for second example. Example 2. In this you identify. All of you. Let me see who will identify first. All the things you write it and you tell me. So now let us go for the second example is hydrogen sulfide. Hydrogen sulfide. Example 2. Hydrogen sulfide is reacting with chlorine. Is reacting with chlorine. No need to see oxygen. Oxidation means no need to see oxygen. Remember, chlorine which will form sulfur plus hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric acid, not hydrogen chloride. Gas only. Hydrogen chloride. Hydrogen chloride. Gas. So now tell me. So who is oxidizing and who is reducing and who is oxidizing agent and reducing agent?
Sir, hydrogen is removed, so it is oxidation.
Which one? Where hydrogen is removed? Where hydrogen is removed?
Hydrogen sulfide in the first one.
Hydrogen sulfide turns into sulfur. So means in the sense of what is happening? Removing of hydrogen. Is it correct or not?
Moving off.
Removing of
Moving off.
hydrogen. So removing of hydrogen indicates what? Addition of oxygen.
Oxidation.
Removing of hydrogen.
Oxidation, sir.
Oxidation.
Oxidation.
So removing of oxygen. Sorry, hydrogen. Hydrogen. So this is called as oxidation. Next, Here, chlorine turns into hydrogen chloride. So hydrogen is added. Is it correct or not? Addition of hydrogen.
Yes, sir.
Hydrogen.
Reduction,
Addition
sir.
of hydrogen.
Reduction.
Reduction, sir.
Addition of hydrogen. Addition of hydrogen. Reduction reaction. Reduction reaction. Is it correct or not?
Yes,
Yes
sir.
or no? Now,
Yes,
Yes, sir.
who is the oxidizing agent here? Who is the reducing agent and who is the oxidizing agent?
Hydrogen sulfide is
Hydrogen sulfide.
Is what? Is what?
hydrogen sulfide is the oxidizing agent.
What are you talking? Where here? Is it supplying hydrogen or oxygen? What are you talking? Hydrogen sulfide supplying hydrogen. So what we used to call?
Reducing agent.
Reducing agent.
Read the definition
Reducing.
carefully. Supplying hydrogen, so reducing agent. And chlorine is removing hydrogen. So that chlorine is called as what? Chlorine is called as what?
Oxidizing agent.
Oxidizing agent. We have two definitions. Is it correct or not? Yes or no? Either need to supply the oxygen or need to remove the hydrogen. That is only called as oxidizing agent. Yes or no, ma?
Yes, sir.
Now
Sir.
tell me, the substance which is oxidized, which substance?
Sulfur.
Substance oxidized.
Sulfur.
Hydrogen sulfide. Substance reduced. Substance reduced. If you are not communicating, then you leave from the meeting. No issues. Chlorine gas. Next, oxidizing agent. Who is oxidizing agent?
Hydrogen sulfide.
What are you talking, Alini? Oxidizing agent, I am asking. See. Carefully you see it and write. You understand or not? You tell me. Here supply of oxygen is hydrogen sulfide. So that it is called as reducing agent. Here chlorine gas is removing hydrogen. So what we used to say? Either need to supply oxygen or need to remove hydrogen. So that is why it is called as what? Oxidizing agent. You understand or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Next, the substance who is going to oxidize? Who is going to oxidize? Oxidation. Hydrogen sulfide. Who is going to reduce the chlorine? That's all. Reduction reaction. Understand or not?
Sure.
Write it, all of you.
Completed, sir.
Understand? Next. Can I give next example? Can you identify all the things? You tell me.
Yes, sir.
Let me see who will identify.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Zinc oxide. Next example 3. Zinc oxide, ZnO. Zinc oxide is going to react with the carbon. Zinc oxide going to react with the carbon. Heat. If we start heating, it will form zinc plus carbon monoxide. Zinc plus carbon monoxide. I want everything, whatever I have taught. Oxidation where, reduction where. Understanding who is the oxidized substance, Who is going to oxidize? Who is going to reduce it? Everything you tell me.
Sir, in zinc oxide,
Zinc
oxygen is
oxide
removed. So it is
reduction, sir.
Wait,
Oxygen is
substance
Oxidize
oxidized.
this carbon.
Substance oxidized, I want. Next.
Substance
Substance.
oxidation.
Wait. Substance reduced. Substance
Zinc.
reduced. Next. Oxidizing agent. Oxidizing agent. Next. Reducing agent. So first oxidizing agent. Solunga. Oxidizing agent. Oxidizing agent.
Oxidation
zinc oxide.
Zinc
Zinc
oxide.
oxide.
Very
Zinc
good.
oxide.
Reducing agent.
Zinc oxide.
Reducing agent.
Reducing agent is carbon.
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 Carbon monoxide.
Oxidation. Oxidation where is taking place? First
Carbon.
ZnOH turns into Zn. Means remove of
Reduction,
oxygen.
sir.
Remove of oxygen.
Reduction.
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 What
Reduction.
is you call?
Reduction.
Reduction. So the substance which is reduced, who is that? The substance who is
Zinc
reduced.
oxide.
Zinc oxide.
Zinc
Next,
oxide.
carbon is turns into carbon monoxide. Oxygen is added.
Oxidation.
Oxygen is
Oxidation.
added.
Oxidation agent. Carbon.
Oxidation. So now substance which is
Oxidation.
oxidized. Who is that?
Carbon, sir.
Carbon. You people understand or not?
Carbon.
Even present
Yes,
10th class
sir.
also they don't know this. Again they will face same problem. That is why I am saying you again and again. You have to be very, very careful. You understood or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, answer
Yes,
now.
sir.
All of you, make it fast. Kevin, are you understanding, Kevin? Okay, do it now.
Kashmir முதல் கன்னியாகுமரி வரை இந்த நாளில்
Who is
நிற்கும்
that, Ra? Who is that? Okay. Understand or not?
Yes, sir.
Right, next. Who sang the song Dilipan only, correct? I know. Okay. Right now, next question. Example 4. Manganese dioxide, MnO2. Manganese dioxide. Manganese dioxide reacting with hydrochloric acid. Reacting with hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric acid, which will give manganese chloride, MnCl2 plus chlorine gas plus H2O. Here extra product will be there. Don't get confused. Only you see our definitions. That's all. So that's all. Now start answering. Tell me.
Sir, addition of oxygen, sir.
Addition of
H2.
oxygen. Addition of oxygen,
HCl.
where it is added?
HCl, here 2H2O, sir.
Ah,
Addition of oxygen.
First,
so HCl
removed in manganese
HCl
oxide.
is losing hydrogen to form Cl2. So that what we used to call? Losing hydrogen. You observe in this reaction, losing oxygen to form MnCl2. So manganese dioxide is being reduced or oxidized. Manganese oxide is turned into manganese chloride. Correct or not? MnO2 is being removing of oxygen. So that what we used to call? Reduce to
Reduction
manganese
reaction.
dichloride. So what we used to call this one?
Removal of oxygen.
Amma?
Reduction, sir.
This reaction, removing of oxygen. What we should call?
Reduction,
Remove of
sir.
oxygen.
Reduction, sir.
Reduction. Now, you observe next. HCl is losing hydrogen. HCl is losing hydrogen and forming Cl2. What we should call?
Oxidation. Oxidation.
Tell me.
Oxidation.
Oxidation, sir.
So HCl is losing hydrogen to form Cl2. So hydrochloric acid is being oxidized. So this is removing of hydrogen. Remove of hydrogen. So which is called as oxidation. That's all. Are you people understanding what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
Here also if you observe, manganese dioxide is the oxidizing agent and hydrochloric acid is the reducing agent. Forget about it. Here water is forming. Water is the extra substance. Only we should consider where is oxygen is removed, where is hydrogen is added. Or hydrogen is removed, where is oxygen is added. Are you understanding, Amma?
Yes,
Yes or
sir.
no?
Yes, sir.
All
Yes,
of you.
Sir, but also oxygen is added, sir.
So now here you see. So here oxidation and reduction in terms of oxygen and hydrogen only. So there is another concept of oxidation and reduction in terms of metals and non-metals also. That is also I will teach you. Don't bother. Now here addition of oxygen. But what? Extra products which is coming from hydrogen and oxygen from here, they are together forming. Both together added. Have you noticed it there? You understand? That is the reason we are not talking about the water here. Only manganese